Hey guys, I've received several questions asking how to prevent warping or how to keep your lines straight when tying double half hitch knots. This problem can arise when working on a number of different designs. Today I'm sharing how to fix this problem when working on a square knot pattern as seen here. Next week I'll show you how to fix this problem when working with another design, so stay tuned for that. Let's get started. This tutorial is not intended to show you how to create this pattern. If you are interested in creating this pattern, please see the description for a link to another one of my tutorials. If your work is starting to warp, this means that you are trying to tie too many double half hitch knots within a certain area of your work. I'll show you what this will look like. Here you can see my double half hitch knots extend out further than the knots above. If I were to continue to tie double half hitch knots, my work would start warping to create space for all of the double half hitch knots I have tied. If you are creating a design similar to this, you can fix this problem using one of two methods. The first is to push your double half hitch knots up your filler cord so that there is less space in between your double half hitch knots. This method works well if you are wanting to get rid of just a little bit of space in between your double half hitch knots. The second method is to get rid of one of the pieces of cord that you've attached to the section above. Your double half hitch knots should now create a neat line underneath the knots above. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check back in next week for additional tips and tricks to prevent warping. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.